Hey guys, can you find out who is her mother? The red-haired woman, A, is her mother. Do you know why? Because the girl has the same red hair and freckles as woman A. Question number 2. Find the number 44. If you got the first 2 questions right, double tap the screen to lock in. Question number 3. Who will be the second person when you click share and then more? If it was your dad, sorry, you're out. Alright, question number 3. Hold down the comment button and pick an emoji. If you picked the embarrassed emoji, sorry, you are out. Do you know when you follow me my profile starts dancing? Try it and see. Final question. Find the hidden number in this picture and comment your answer. If you are smart,